Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the latest technology and online entrepreneurship trends. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI influencers. Yes, you heard that right. AI influencers are not just a thing of science fiction. They're real, they're lucrative, and they're taking social media by storm. And guess what? You can build one too. In this video, we'll guide you through creating your very own AI influencer, unlocking the secrets to success, and tapping into the wealth potential of this rapidly growing industry. So let's get started. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about AI influencers are getting filthy rich. Let's build one. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Understanding AI influencers. In today's digital age, the rise of AI influencers marks a paradigm shift in how we perceive and engage with online personalities. The limitations of human existence do not constrain these virtual entities. Instead, they are meticulously crafted using advanced AI technology to embody distinct personas and appeal to specific demographics. What makes AI influencers genuinely remarkable is their ability to resonate with audiences on a deeply personal level despite being mere lines of code. With their carefully curated personalities, interests, and flaws, AI influencers forge authentic connections with followers, driving engagement levels that rival traditional human influencers. AI influencers span various niches, from fashion-forward avatars to wellness enthusiasts, catering to diverse interests and lifestyles. As social media continues to evolve, AI influencers have emerged as powerful marketing tools for brands seeking to capitalize on the digital landscape. Unlike their human counterparts, AI influencers offer a level of reliability and consistency that is unmatched, making them ideal brand ambassadors for products and services. With their ability to seamlessly integrate sponsored content into their feeds, AI influencers provide brands with a non-intrusive way to reach their target audience and drive conversions. Additionally, AI influencers offer brands a level of control and predictability that needs improvement in human influencer partnerships, making them a valuable asset in today's competitive market. Choosing your AI avatar. Selecting the perfect avatar is a pivotal step in building your AI influencer. Your avatar serves as the face of your digital persona, embodying the characteristics and traits that will resonate with your target audience. Whether you opt for a sleek and sophisticated fashionista, a health and wellness guru, or a tech-savvy trendsetter, aligning your avatar with your niche market and overall branding strategy is essential. Consider factors such as age, gender, style, and personality traits when crafting your avatar, ensuring that it reflects the values and interests of your intended audience. Authenticity is paramount in AI influencers, so choose an avatar that feels genuine and relatable to your followers. Once you've selected your avatar, it's time to bring them to life through customization and personalization. Every detail shapes their unique identity, from choosing their wardrobe and accessories to defining their voice and mannerisms. Take the time to flesh out your avatar's backstory, interests, and quirks, adding depth and dimension to their character. By investing in creating a compelling and authentic avatar, you lay the foundation for building a loyal and engaged following eager to connect with your AI influencer on a personal level. Crafting compelling content. Crafting compelling content lies at the heart of building a successful AI influencer. Once you've established your avatar and niche market, it's time to brainstorm creative ideas and formats that will captivate your audience. Whether you're showcasing fashion hauls, sharing fitness tutorials, cooking delicious recipes, or delivering motivational speeches, the key is offering valuable and engaging content that resonates with your followers. Experiment with different types of content and formats to keep your audience entertained and coming back for more. From short-form videos on TikTok to longer-form tutorials on YouTube, diversifying your content strategy allows you to reach a wider audience and cater to varying preferences. Consistency is critical in building a loyal following for your AI influencer. Develop a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. Establishing a consistent presence on social media platforms reinforces your brand identity and builds trust with your followers. Remember to engage with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, and soliciting feedback. Building a sense of community around your AI influencer fosters a deeper connection with your audience and increases their loyalty to your brand. Leveraging social media platforms. To maximize the reach and impact of your AI influencer, it's crucial to leverage social media platforms' power effectively. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with your audience and showcase your content. With its visually appealing grid and stories feature, Instagram is perfect for sharing lifestyle shots, fashion inspiration, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into your AI influencer's life. TikTok, known for its short-form, entertaining videos, provides a platform for showcasing your avatar's personality through dance challenges, lip-syncing, and comedic skits. On the other hand, YouTube allows for longer-form content such as tutorials, vlogs, and product reviews, catering to audiences seeking in-depth information and entertainment. Use hashtags strategically to increase your content's discoverability and attract new followers. Collaborate with other human and AI influencers to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Sponsored content and brand partnerships offer lucrative opportunities to monetize your influence while promoting products and services aligned with your avatar's persona and values. By leveraging the strengths of each social media platform and adopting a multi-channel approach, you can amplify the impact of your AI influencer and solidify your presence in the digital landscape. Monetizing your AI influencer. As your AI influencer gains traction and builds a dedicated following, it's time to explore various monetization strategies to capitalize on your digital persona. One of the most common ways to monetize your AI influencer is through brand partnerships and sponsored content. Brands constantly seek influencers, including AI personas, to promote their products or services to a targeted audience. Negotiate deals that align with your avatar's image and values, ensuring authenticity and relevance to your followers. By collaborating with reputable brands, you generate revenue and strengthen your credibility as a trusted influencer in your niche. In addition to brand partnerships, consider diversifying your revenue streams through merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and exclusive content subscriptions. Create branded merchandise such as clothing, accessories, or digital products that resonate with your audience and reflect your avatar's personality. Partner with affiliate programs to earn commissions for promoting products or services that align with your niche. Offering exclusive content or memberships allows you to monetize your most dedicated fans, giving them access to premium content, behind-the-scenes footage, or personalized interactions with your AI influencer. By implementing a combination of these monetization strategies, you can unlock the full earning potential of your AI influencer and turn your digital persona into a profitable business venture. And there you have it, folks. Building your own AI influencer is not only possible but incredibly lucrative. With the right avatar, compelling content, and strategic marketing, you can join the ranks of the wealthiest AI influencers and cash in big. So what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming your avatar, drafting your content, and get ready to dominate the digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on building your online empire. See you in the following video. Goodbye.